Unsay pasabot aning out of your league?
She is way out of your league, Dad.
She's out of your league.
Seemed a bit out of your league on Nightline, I thought.
Out of your league means someone is too good, attractive, successful, or valuable for another person to pursue or be with. It suggests a perceived imbalance where one person believes they are inferior or that their standards don't match the other's high expectations. This is often used in romantic or social contexts. Dili nimo kalibel, layo ra kayo sa imuhang kapasidad o katungdanan. Dili nimo kayang tugbangan, labaw siya nimo.
Out of your league, mate. Out of your league.
A person might feel someone is out of their league due to various factors: physical attractiveness, social status or popularity, wealth or financial standing, intelligence or education, and talent or expertise.
Out of your league, buddy.
She is incredibly successful and beautiful. She is completely out of my league. Masabot ani kay superior siya sa ako, ako inferior ko. Mas labaw siya kay successful siya ug gwapa, ako dili.
Because he's way out of your league.
One can also say this: why are you even trying to talk to me? I am clearly out of your league. Ngano makikistorya man ka sa ako, mas labaw ko nimo, mas hawod ko nimo. Something like that.